Welcome friends. In this video, we will learn how to develop our first application. We have installed Visual Studio 2010 in our machine. So to open the Visual Studio, go to Start menu in Programs, select Visual Studio 2010 and Microsoft Visual Studio 2010. So it will open Visual Studio. For creating a new website, go to File menu, in New tab, select a website. It will ask you to select in which language you want to create your website. There are two languages in .NET, Visual Basic and Visual C#. Select a Visual C# and select ASP.NET Empty Website. Select the folder where you want to store your website. I have selected my folder on the desktop called Hello World. Press OK. Website is created. Now go to Solution Explorer, which is right side of Visual Studio IDE. Click on Solution bar and select New Item and add new web form. You can give here your own name to web form, but we have given default. Every ASP.NET web page have extension .AISPX. Now click on Add button. It will generate some code. There are two types of views, design views and source views. You can switch over to design view when you want to see your application in design mode. Now I want to display Hello World in my web page, so I have typed Hello World. Now switch over to source view. In the form tag, automatically div tag is generated and div tag contain Hello World. Now to run the website, go to the debug menu and select Start without debugging. So this was our first application called Hello World. Thank you.